Have you ever stared into the night sky and felt a sense of ancient dread? As if the darkness holds a memory of a time when the world ended. It has. 66 million years ago, this planet was not ours. It belonged to giants. A lost world, ruled by titans of flesh and bone, thriving under a sun they believed would shine forever. Their story is not one of gentle decline. It is a tale of absolute annihilation, a warning etched into the very rock beneath our feet. For 150 million years, they were the undisputed masters of the earth. From the colossal Argentinosaurus that shook the ground with every step, to the terrifying Tyrannosaurus rex, the apex predator of its time. They diversified into countless forms, conquering land, sea, and air. Their reign was a testament to life's power and endurance. They were invincible, a dynasty of nature's greatest creations, but the cosmos is indifferent to dynasties. A clock was ticking, counting down to a final brutal moment. Their empire, built over eons, was about to be erased in a single day. It came without warning, a speck of light in the daytime sky, growing brighter, larger, until it burned with the intensity of a second sun. It was a rock the size of a mountain, traveling faster than any sound. The impact was not an explosion. It was a wound torn into the crust of the earth itself. The energy released dwarfed all the world's nuclear weapons combined. A flash of impossible heat vaporized everything for hundreds of miles, instantly turning forest into ash and ocean into steam. A shockwave, a moving wall of unimaginable force, flattened entire continents. Earthquakes of a magnitude we cannot comprehend fractured the planet. Colossal tsunamis, miles high, raced across the oceans, swallowing coastlines whole. And then the sky fell. Billions of tons of superheated rock and dust were thrown into the atmosphere, blanketing the globe, and plunging the world into total, unending darkness. This was not a swift end. It was the beginning of a long, agonizing death. The sun, the source of all life, was gone. Hidden behind a thick, suffocating shroud of dust, it could no longer warm the planet or feed its plants. Photosynthesis failed. The great forests and ferns withered and died. The plant eaters, the massive herbivores, starved first. Their colossal bodies littered the dying landscapes. With their prey gone, the carnivores soon followed. The food chain didn't just break, it evaporated. A nuclear winter gripped the planet. Freezing temperatures, acid rain, and perpetual night became the new reality. It was a slow, cruel, and inescapable descent into oblivion, a world turning to ice and shadow. Hunger was the only law, and extinction was the only verdict. In the end, silence. Almost every dinosaur, from the most powerful to the smallest, vanished. 75% of all life on Earth was extinguished. The titans who had ruled for an eternity were gone, their bones destined to become fossils, their thunderous roars replaced by the whisper of the wind over a desolate, empty world. The planet was reset, cleansed by fire and ice, leaving behind a blank slate, a quiet testament to the finality of total extinction. So when you look up at the stars, remember what they have witnessed. The Earth's history is written in cycles of creation and destruction. We live in the quiet interval after the last cataclysm, unaware of when the sky might decide to fall again. History ended once. Subscribe before it happens again.